second try climbing to a rubble pass. Nevertheless, it's just about there. So, first time, it's too hot. Just done half. I just didn't have enough water to finish all the way. So today, the weather is not so hot, but it's very it's windy, so we'll see how it goes. I have probably a strong headwind most of the way. As you can hear it probably. So we'll see. It starts and then we'll go until we can. Beginning of the climb is about 9 km from my house. So I always wanted to do it. I heard about the pass many years ago, and now when I'm basically having a house next to it, I mean, it's climbing, I guess. It's one of my local trails. The railway, first one, almost reached. There is a second railway. I mean, we're passing the railway very close to the point where I gave up last time. I'm not sure, can you see it? But that very small thin road going in between of that two mountain tops is the pass. Famous wagon trail pass, 150 years old. So that's where we are going. I'm on the same place where I stopped last time. So it's not so warm, it's much better, a little bit windy, nothing that I cannot handle. But the view is like magnificent. This is what I can see from this point. So I think I'm halfway up the climb. That's Gordon's Bay. And it's 11 km from my house, so I'm guessing another 5 km and I will be up, but now the real climb starts. nice wide road. It just became a single trail. Going there. A real mountain bike single trail. Look, guys. Yeah, guess it's a good test for my Tagati, yeah? To prove the concept that we can do whatever a mountain bike can do. Yeah, is it doable on a bicycle? Yeah, it's rideable on a bicycle. Not so sure. Unless if you have fucking wings or something, rotor or helicopter blades, so you can fly on top of this. There is no way you can ride. Here you can, but this side no. That small road is where the pass is, so I'm about almost there. This part you can ride quite a bit nicely. It's nice soil, firm soil, no rocks, at least for now. It's fun. Hey, even if you walk, it's tremendous fun to do this. So, you really need to come. The lovers of the nature need to come and see this place. It is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Amazing experience. So it's definitely a must. Okay, let me go and suffer a little bit more. So it is just incredible to think that someone could put wagons here, even with I don't know how many oxes to go up this road. But the marks are here, you can see them clearly. See, here. There it goes there, over this rock, and there, and so. I mean, it makes you wonder where our ancestors, like all, like mental cases, or we just became soft 40 years after them. Because I believe we could like do something like that now. Like you really need real strength and determination to do something like this, or just to feel like a lunatic. But anyway, it's amazing. It's amazing to see something like this still there after 150 years. You see how the wagons carved this road nicely here in these rocks. See, exactly on this line. It will be even better when we go up. Makes you wonder how many times they pass here when this is craved in. This market. That's just too many times. Not easy, but it's great fun. I'm really enjoying it. Almost there. So this is the last climb. Go straight up. My God, I didn't even try to go left, right, you know, like zigzag there and straight up. Can you imagine it? Yeah. Well, you need to do what you need to do. This is the view on Cape Vineyards. They're far famous. Where famous Cape Town wine is made. That mountains have some kind of a roads going there. That's Stellenbosch, I guess. So that will be the next time climb. Once I'm here, the next time on vacation, I'll climb there. But anyway, beautiful, huh? I'm speechless. I'm really sick. One of the boxes of the things that I really wanted to do in my life. Like after so many years of thinking about it, I'm here and I'm actually doing it. I really love it. I'm done. Done. You need to come and see Trail. You need definitely. It's just one of the things in the life that you need to come and see. It's amazing. The nature is amazing. The exercise itself is demanding. I mean, you can come with the bicycle. You can ride about 60% of it, 40% of it. It will be like carrying of the bicycle and pushing up the hill because it's just impossible because of the rocks to climb and the way the pass is steep. It's also impossible to climb. I don't believe that anyone can climb that. But anyway, it's you should come and visit and experience and have a nice time and take nice photos, enjoying it. I came and I saw and I really love it. Now I'll just find a way to home without going on N2 and risking to get arrested and without going like 60 kilometers around Betty's Bay. So yeah, see you next time. Enjoy your adventures.